Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, I'm out here getting a stand ready to mount a pit on top of it. And I need some tie downs to put on top of the pit. And let me show you. I put tie downs on the top of them. I used to just use straps to pick them up, but I started putting tie downs on there just because I can get it done easier. But anyway, this is the pit. We've got a wasp sitting on it out here in this cold. Can't believe it's flying. But it'll be a tie down right here and a tie down right up there. And that's so I can pick it up and then set it on the stand. And then I got the stand back here ready to go. But I went to the welding store yesterday. I buy the tie downs at one welding store. I do most 99% of my business at a different one, but they don't have the tie downs. And found out that welding store is merging with another store, and they don't have all the stuff over there or whatever, you know. So anyway, I couldn't get them, so I got to make them. But anyway, this is what we're making. This right here, where you can weld it on. It'll sit up like that, and you can weld it on and catch a hook in there. But and also, I need them for the tie downs on the legs, so you can strap the thing down in your trailer or your truck. But so anyway, these things, as simple as that is, these things can be a pain to make if you don't have a bender or something, you know, when you're trying to go through a lot of stuff to make them. The simplest way I know to make them is what I'm going to show you. And we're going to start with some 5/16 round stock. I got the center on it marked right there. And then what we're going to do is put some vice grips on both ends like that. Heat the center of it up and bend it around this piece of pipe. This is 5/8 round stock. And we're just going to pull it around there after it's heated up. And then we'll take it from there and I'll show you the next step. Now I take it over and cool that part off. You want to make sure you cool it so when you bend it again, it's not trying to pull it right there. And then I'm going to take it, and you don't ever have to take the vice grips off, and heat it up down where I want to bend it for to make the weld on part. So I'm going to do one side at a time and cool that side. That way it's not, when you do the other side, it's not pulling again over there. Then do the other side the same way, and that'll be pretty much it. Just cool that side off again. And that's pretty much it. If it sometimes it'll bend up a little bit. That one didn't. But sometimes it'll try to bend up a little bit. But then all you got to do is just take it while you're still holding it on one of the vice grips and hit it a little bit with a hammer, and it's gonna knock it down. You can pretty much eyeball it to get it, you know, flat on the bottom. But anyway, that's it, man. All you gotta do is put them on there. It's gonna take you 3 bends, and that's a lot less trouble than some ways I've tried to do them. But that might help somebody, so that's just a quick little video on those. If y'all new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.